We're ready to take it out. This, what do you call this?
Those are just,
For this
those
one.
are, I don't know what you call them. Trim.
On the board.
And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna fit this over here like so.
What do you call again that one?
This is called drywall tape. Okay? Then, once we,
You need scissors for that.
yeah, compound.
Joint.
Compound. Oh,
Okay. Just like cement blocks?
yep.
Oh, I see. Oh, look at that. It's a magic. Sexy. Oh, what are we going to do again?
We're sanding down these joints so we can get rid of all the trim inside. Flatten the wall, paint and prime it, and then paint it. We're gonna sand down pretty much the whole wall.
What happened to
To
your
get rid of-
nose?
What about my nose? Saw that? Oh, my wife. Oh, too much. It's gonna have me here then. Oh, my wife is. Babe?
Let me see. Oh, my poor husband. Yeah, Jasper, your daddy. Yeah. Mommy, leave me alone. Mommy, leave me alone. Kyla, let me see your face.
I'm wearing an air freshener.
Alright.
I have to go on a ladder.
Okay.
Oh.
So after sanding the wall, we need to clean using sponge with water. After dry, we can start to put primer.
Look, I got a ponytail. Do I have to do the right thing now, Mommy? Do I do it?
Ah, you want to put there the design.
You shake it first, like you have to shake it a lot. And you gotta use that wire thing to open. This one is Hopeful Dream. See the droops. There's dream.
Which one do you want in the background, Ken?
This one. You can see it kind of. I'm trying some shiny because this slime's supposed to shine.
Slide, slide.
Just like her name right there.
Shine. Thanks, Kianna. Look, our artist.
Yeah.
He's the one who made that.
You made the whole thing here. I'm just the one who has to do this.
Wow.
She wants to slime, that's why. So there we go.
Look, I finished. And I did a little dot.
Okay. Are you painters?
Yeah, me They go so then they can see the difference.
So, how's your room?
Good.
And this is the final product of the wall, and next time we will show you how we change the carpet into wood laminate. Thank you for watching.